Duane Freese, Executive Director of the IRL Council, which is an independent special district of the state of Florida that was created back in 2015 to be the host of the Indian River Lagoon National Estuary Program. So today we had a group of community leaders, citizens, scientists, environmental advocates looking at a technology that's being developed by AECOM to try to work with this situation we have in Florida, where we have harmful algal blooms that can be very difficult and in some cases a health hazard to both humans and wildlife. The concept is to have a mobile barge using a technology called dissolved air flotation that's actually going to harvest algae, hopefully take it to beneficial uses. But this is one of a number of technologies that the state of Florida is investing in to try to find solutions to some of our water quality problems that are really plaguing the state in our lakes, in our tributaries, and in our estuaries like the Indian River Lagoon. The Indian River Lagoon is really an interesting estuary in North America and also in Florida. We're very long, we're narrow, we're called microtidal, so there's only a few inlets that connect our estuary system with the ocean. And so really what happens in this lagoon is being dominated by what's happening on land. So wastewater treatment plants that are ineffective, hundreds of thousands of septic systems, stormwater infrastructure that's old, aging, and maybe not dealing with nutrient loads. And in a real simple way, the more nutrients that come off our human activities on land serve as fertilizer to fuel these harmful algal blooms. And when these algal blooms become intense, when they become large and long-lasting, they do damage to the entire ecosystem. We have to look at every tool possible as we adjust and address these environmental challenges. Technology is going to play an important role, and the only way we can move technology forward is through investment. What you're seeing with AECOM is the result of some of that investment in technology development, testing, then fine-tuning. I think it's important that the citizens understand there is no silver bullet for this. It's not this or this. It's going to be this and this and this. And technology is one of those very important applications that we need to pay close attention to. Make investments where opportunities lie. Take advantage of American innovation. We're standing here just south of, the Space Center. There's no place in the United States that has greater technological capability and innovative thinking than the Space Coast, and we need to leverage that opportunity statewide to improve water quality.